Hello everyone and welcome to another video. We are going to talk about a plugin called Source Clone. It's a very simple but very useful plugin and let's see what it does. Here's a plugin Source Clone. What it does is basically you go to your OBS and let's say here I have this webcam here. Instead of adding it again, instead of adding another webcam with video capture device, you can just add Source Clone. There was the same plugin before called Source Mirror. It's the same plugin, but it's not available now. I don't know why. I had this installed a long time ago, but for now, Source Clone is available. So add Source Clone as a source, and from here, let's select our source. You can select a source, you can select a scene or previous scene. Just leave it as a source, and you can clone any scene that you want. Let's say you want to clone this scene tutorial. Let's add it. Okay, now it's being cloned. Now as you can see, it's a different scene. If I go back here and enable this image is for the first scene, and let's enable my webcam. If I go back here, you will see it clones this whole scene, and you can add filters to it without adding any filter to the original scene. So this is how it works. So let's say for example, let's change this. Let's delete this one and hide this, go back to scene 2. Let's add another source clone. Let's select a source clone. Let's take our webcam. Okay, we have our webcam here. Let's make this smaller. Okay, you see on our first scene we have our webcam and it has all the filters on it and it's hidden here. But when I go here on the source clone, it's available here but it doesn't have any filters because it's copying the final result. This here has some filters, you see here, but the other one doesn't have any filter. So you can add filters to the clone and it won't affect the original one at all. You want this scene to be with your chroma key and the other scene you want your background to be removed. So you can do it with this. I can add a filter here. Let's add chroma key. Let's add chroma key. From here, this scene, right now I have my background removed in this one, and in this one it's not removed. If I add it as a webcam, if I copy this to the second scene, it won't work the same. It's going to remove the background for both scenes. So this is how it works. A very useful plugin that can be used for a lot of stuff. So everyone, that's it for this video. See you in the next one.